Have you had breast? Hey guys, it's me, Isa Perez Gandyonko, your Bai Hana, and today I'll be donating my breast milk for adults to try. Ready na mo, sup-sup? Hi, Luis.
Hi, Eve. Nice to meet you.
Hi. Hi, po. Hi, Trash. Anyong close kita, no?
We'll see.
Close kita samot karon. Have you tried breast milk as an adult?
Wala pa.
Wala pa yun, ever.
Adult, no.
Yeah.
You've tried now.
Before, yeah. Wala pa.
Have you had breast? So what do you think about the breast milk so far?
Kuan, lasaw siya.
Mura siya something else. Dili na ako masulti diri kay terms and conditions sa Facebook.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Familiar siya smell. Compared to kanang commercial milk na kanang more thick.
It looks very translucent. Inani yun.
Ingana gid siya, like maski muto siya while maligo ko.
Dear.
Lasaw gid check now. Sige, tilaw eh. Dili ingana no tilaw, sup-sup pa. Pakita lagi mi sa sup-suping skills. Sige na.
Wish me luck.
Inom na na.
Oo, taon eh. Mag-share ko no ta.
Ito nangurog ang kamote.
Hoy, kurugay. Nan palang week.
You like,
You will learn how to sup-sup, Sarah.
mag-cheers na.
Okay.
Taste organic.
Na siya aftertaste.
Yeah.
Na siya aftertaste.
Muna siya ginhason. Kaya ako feeling kayo na ako sa kuwan siya straight from the tip. Di man siya bad.
Pretty sa chalabi.
Pero di siya good.
Oh my god, he's really gonna suko.
Actually, okay ha naman ako.
So, my breast milk, is it a meh or is it a woe?
It's a meh for me. I hope we're still friends. Wow na lang for me na.
Breast milk is a woe for me.
Yay!
Ang breast milk ni Miss Isa specifically.
Good,
I am 26 years old, so meh siya for me. Pero if, I'm 5 months old, then feel na ko, this is life for them.
Breast milk to me is a meh. Obviously very good for babies, pero for adults, it's not bad to try it.
Breast milk is a meh for me. Sorry.